should I have one of these? Oh!
Pay attention. Keep it clean and tidy. Plenty of violence, but no eating. Right. Carry on, chaps.
It's a spy.
Jolly, jolly good. Now for my part. Mice, help each other! The anointed leader of the cats, a Mr. Cat R. Waul, is one of the most enlightened, intelligent, sophisticated, charming, non-narcissistic, debonair, suave, dashing, Renaissance cats you could ever. Jolly, jolly good. Anybody still like some tickets? Yow.
Oui, this fraternity with mass does run counter to nature.
Which would you rather have, the crouton or the entire Caesar salad? Of course we will eat the mice, but only after we have exploited their labors. If we hiss, they will run, and we will have to chase after them, an unnecessary expenditure of calories.
So, when do we take the big bite, boss?
When do we get to eat them? When?
When my empire at Green River is complete, and when we have a better mousetrap.
Mouse!
Yes, mouse burgers indeed. Music to aid the digestion.
Next stop, mouth, throat, stomach, intestine.
So, what do we have here? It appears to be a young pioneer. Now, the feline in me would like to devour this tender young morsel, but the shrewd businessman in me knows that if I do, the other mice miss him and come looking for him. The gourmet in me quivers at the thought of mouse tartar. But the entrepreneur prefers not to be inundated by suspicious mice that could jeopardize my... So, I must exercise both willpower and finesse. Scamper back to your parents, little mouse, and do be careful, it's frightfully hazardous. Give him the flying R and make it good.
The flying R! I love the flying R!
Please, please, there's no need for such a bleak assessment of your situation. After all, what are neighbors for? A cup of sugar, a saucer of cream, a pail of water, perhaps.
Water? I'll give him water!
Now, I'd like to share a vision. A world where cats and mice... A world where mothers raise their mouselings... Will you help me build this world?
So, what's your problem?
Being nice to these mice it's driving me nuts!
Oh, get on with it, you morons!
After the saloon is finished.
Let me hear that again! Mouseburger! Let the saliva flow!
Mouseburger!
Next. Terrible, terrible, truly, utterly appalling. I must have a voice to match the opulence of this saloon. Whoa!
Pussy, 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 oh, pussy.
Humans, ugh, so shiny and... Right, I want the subversive who attempted to assassinate me found.
I just love finding subversives. Hey, boss, what's a subversive?
Someone who doesn't have very long to live. Well, Griffin isn't my diminutive friend from the train.
Kiddo Waul, I heard what you said about the mouse burgers, and I'm gonna tell everyone. I'm gonna get Wily Burp, because he's the law.
Wily Burp! That quaint historical figure. Put simply, Mouseling, I am the law here, and you're a mere hors d'oeuvre.
Dreams to dream.
Hey, what's wrong with the balls?
I can still make it right. I can see so far dreams. I'll follow my dreams until they come true. Come with me, dreams will come true. Waiting to guide us, shining inside us when we close our eyes. Let go if you stay close to me in my dreams tonight. You will see what I see, dreams to dream, as near as can be, inside you and me.
Well. Will you look what the cat dragged in? A mouse. That's a first.
Not just any mouse. This is a diva.
Diva Schmeeva. You put a mouse on the stage and your saloon's gonna be as empty as Death Valley on a cold day in June when the snow don't fall.
What? They'll love her. They'll adore her. And those who don't will answer to me.
Anything you say, pussy poos.
Yes, I have mentioned that I dislike being referred to as pussy poos.
Yeah? Well, maybe I'm not so happy about being dumped in nature's ashtray 500 miles from a pastrami sandwich either. Pussy poos.
Yes, I think I just mentioned, didn't I, that I dislike being referred to as pussy
As for the mousette, I'll get it on the stage for you.
Well, see that you do. Farewell, my diva.
Oh dear!
Gentle creatures, I have arranged for a special preview of the artistic virtuosity that will become a commonplace of this stage. Allow me to present the divine diva, Miss Tanya!
I can't do this.
Cats and gentle mice, lend me your ears. It is my distinguished pleasure to invite all of you to share our dinner. Triumph! Triumph! To share our triumph. Today we herald in a momentous new feast. Fievel! Feastival, festival. To mark this brilliant and illustrious snack occasion, I will, with these golden scissors, hereby cut the red ribbon. Okay, chaps, it's become necessary to put these dogs through obedience school. Kill morons. Trigger the mousetrap!
A giant mousetrap! It's a giant mousetrap! They're gonna squash the mice!
Now!
Can't you see?
Stop! You'll crush the trees, you miserable vermin!
You freeze, Caterwall!
Oh no!
He's going to take care of you forever and ever and ever.